Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write in Overleaf. So what you need to do is log in into your account and then go to your project. Doesn't matter if you just started, then go with blank project or use some template. I have shown this in previous video. Now when we want to edit text, just head over here on the left side. You will see this main.text. So this is this window which you see right over here. Now right here on the left we have code, and here we have on the right side preview. So as you can see, I can now just simply write the text. So I will go hello world from YouTube, for example. And what I can do now is recompile. And on the right side now you need to see here my type right over here. Now what you need to know. So as you can see here on the left we have section. So this introduction is basically a section. Then we also have more options. So you have also the begin, as you can see here. So these are all the codes. So for example, items like this, you will see then if you begin enumerate, and then if you go items like this and like this, you will see here that it's basically you doing some numbered text or bullet points. So basically you are making the list of from the text right over here. So this is basically it, how you can write in here. It's not much different as would you type into the Word project, but right here is more code related. So you will need to know this subsection begin. So if you are not that familiar, I suggest you that you go with a template, and then you can just play a little bit around and figure it out how to write into your project. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.